So in this Scotiabank tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to open up a TFSA or a tax-free savings account here on the Scotiabank application. So once Scotiabank's opened up here, I want you to go to the Home tab right here and then just scroll down to where it says Investments and then press on Start Investing. It's then going to bring you to this screen right here where you can discover different investment plans, but under Featured Products right here, we're just going to scroll down to the first option that says Investment Plan, Tax-Free Savings Account, or a TFSA. I'm going to go ahead and press on Get Started. It'll then bring you to this page right here where it elaborates and sort of explains more about the tax-free savings account or a TFSA. So you can go ahead and get started. You can see the special offer. You can read the overview, all that kind of stuff. You can go down, etc. But if all looks good to you and you want to proceed, simply just go to the top here and press on Get Started. It'll then bring you down to this page. So how would you like to build your TFSA? So you can go guided investing with the Scotia Smart Investor, self-directed investing with Scotia iTrade, or guided investing with Scotia Smart Investor. So you can go ahead and select either one you wanted. So if you wanted to do yourself, you'd select the Scotia iTrade one. If you wanted to do it through a Smart Investor, you can go ahead and press Get Started. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but press on one of these to go to the next steps. But that is how to open up a TFSA or a tax-free savings account here on the Scotiabank application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.